Leonard is standing by, ladies and gentlemen, with David Archuleta to be with you.
I've been alone so many nights now, and I've been waiting for the stars to fall. I keep holding out for what I don't know, to be with you, just to be with you. So here I am staring at the moon tonight, wondering how you look in this light. Maybe you're somewhere thinking about me too. To be with you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. And I can't imagine two worlds spinning apart come together eventually. And when we finally meet, I'll know it's right. I'll be at the end of my restless road, but this journey, it was worth the fight. To be with you, just to be holding you for the very first time, never letting go. What I wouldn't give to feel that way.
You took me with you throughout your song. Excellent, excellent job. I think you did everything just right.